Hey guys, so we're gonna kind of backtrack a tiny bit in lesson book and discuss this before we move on to the focus for today. So this talks about musical questions and answers. So this is kind of a more complex idea. So sometimes I don't touch on it, but sometimes I will. So in this case, I will. So a short melody does not end on the home note. So for an instance, like this right here. So you have C, D, E, F, G, E, C, E, G. So if you play it, it'll sound like this. So that would be the question. And then a parallel answer to that would be something that starts with the same melody, but it ends on the home note. So it'll end on C. So I'll play it again. So it's kind of like here where it says, can we make some pancakes? Yum, yum, yum. And then it says, we can make some pancakes. Yum, yum, yum. So you see how it starts the same? But this one, when you play it, sounds more finished because it ends with the home note of C. So since this is in a C 5-finger scale, C is going to be your home note. So if you were in a G scale, G would be your home note. So this is kind of the question and answer part. Then we can get contrasting answers, where it's answering the melody, but it doesn't begin the same as the question. But it still ends on a home note. It just doesn't begin the same. So down here, if this was the question, a contrasting answer would be this. So you'll see that it does not start the same, but it ends on the home note. So it sounds like it's finished. So this is a little bit confusing for younger students. That's why sometimes I choose to explain this later on. But I figured that I would explain it now just so we can kind of get a discussion going about it and see if she has any questions or what she doesn't understand or what she understands, just kind of get going to where we can see where she's at with this type of concept. So this is what I wanted to touch on briefly in her lesson book, which will come into play in her theory book. So this isn't the main focus of this week, but it's something that she can think about and try to wrap her